हमारे पास आ चुका है हमारा IBM का वेलकम किट। सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट। चलो देखते हैं इसमें क्या है। ओके, we have a bag. Pen. So we have one bag here. Water bottle. This is a pen, IBM pen. It's a diary. This pen I already shown. This is a tag, the ID card. Wait, you see? Is missing. Yeah, here it is. This is the keychain. And this is a badge. It's a magnet, I guess. So that's it.